Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Body behind it.
Reflection is man,
Anybody video lash? Anybody video lash? Me not see. Me they pull on your pants. Leave Jane. A Jane is her name. Leave Jane alone. A Jane is her name. Leave Jane. Leave Jane. Leave Jane. What carry? Carry a fire lash. Leave Jane. Leave the boy. What's up, man?
So, this hot on social media right now, where a whole village of people from the Saint Vincent and Grenadines came out to attack a young man that was seen or believed to be a homosexual, to be gay. You see me? This way happened on Easter Sunday. You see it? Right on Easter Sunday. But you know, the question where really leak social media right now about this video where you see posted is it that people are taking the whole homophobia too far? You know, he without sin cast the first stone. Those are the things, you see. Well, anyways, you don't know the thing already. Me only bring to you what hot on social media, so you let me know what you think. And as always, don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to my channel and need to stay up to date with what going on the Dancehall ENT. My name is Skilla, and this way just say a Dancehall Skilla ENT. You know, big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.